In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new users to your WordPress site while managing roles and permissions. This process is essential for anyone looking to expand their WordPress team or adjust user access levels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to efficiently add users and assign appropriate permissions. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is the main hub for managing your site if you're using WordPress for hosting. Once there, you'll find a button labeled Login, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to enter the login process. Next, you'll see several options to log in, and for simplicity, we'll go with Continue with Google. This option is convenient if your Google account is linked to your WordPress, streamlining the process of accessing your dashboard. Click on this option and then select your Google account from the list provided. After you're successfully logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. Here, on the left-hand side of the page, locate the Users section. Clicking on Users will take you to the area where you can manage existing users and add new ones. Now within the Users area, you'll see the option to Add New User on the left-hand side. Click on it to begin the process of adding someone new to your team. You will be presented with a few options to configure the new user's role. The next step is crucial, choosing the right role for your new user. WordPress provides multiple roles such as administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. Each role comes with its own set of permissions, so choose the one that best fits what you want your new user to accomplish. For instance, an administrator role has full access, while an editor can manage content but not the settings of the site. This decision will depend heavily on how much access and control you want the new user to have. After selecting the role, you'll need to enter the user's email address or username. This information is essential as it identifies the user within your site and is necessary for sending them an invitation. Once you've entered their email or username, the final step is to click on Send Invitation. This will prompt WordPress to send an email to the new user, inviting them to join your site with the role and permissions you've just set. The new user will then need to accept this invitation to gain access. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new user to your WordPress site. By following these steps, you can manage and control the access levels of different members of your site with ease, ensuring your team collaborates efficiently and securely. Remember to regularly review the roles and access permissions to maintain your site's security and workflow efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you enhance your WordPress management skills.